Welcome back. Today we are going to explore the best air fryers for home in 2026 that you can buy right now. These air fryers are perfect for healthy cooking, fast meals, crispy food, and energy-efficient kitchen use. Let's check out the top-rated models that can upgrade your kitchen instantly. Starting at number 1. Typhur Sync 8QD. The Typhur Sync 8QD AI Smart Air Fryer is a modern, high-capacity kitchen appliance designed for fast, healthy, and convenient cooking. Featuring an extra-large 8-quart basket, it can easily cook family-sized meals, including up to a 6-pound whole chicken, making it ideal for households and gatherings. With 9-in-1 cooking functions, it supports a wide range of cooking methods such as air frying, roasting, baking, reheating, and more, offering great versatility in one compact device. The built-in AI Smart System works with a wireless meat thermometer to ensure precise cooking results by automatically monitoring internal food temperature for perfect doneness. It reaches temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, delivering crispy textures with little to no oil thanks to its non-toxic ceramic non-stick coating. Designed for convenience, it operates quietly and features dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleaning. Combining smart technology, large capacity, and healthy cooking performance, the Typhur Sync Air Fryer is a premium choice for modern kitchens. Number 2. Emeril Lagasse Extra Large. The Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is a versatile and spacious kitchen appliance designed to handle a wide range of cooking tasks with ease. Featuring a large 26-quart capacity, it is ideal for preparing family-sized meals, roasting whole chickens, baking, toasting, and air frying. With 24 built-in cooking functions and intuitive digital controls, it offers precise temperature and mode selection for consistent and reliable results. The stylish French door design allows easy access to food while minimizing heat loss, and the stainless steel finish adds a modern, premium look to any kitchen. It also comes with 7 useful accessories that expand its cooking versatility, making it suitable for everything from everyday meals to more elaborate recipes. Combining multiple cooking appliances into one, this air fryer toaster oven combo delivers convenience, efficiency, and performance for busy households. Number 3. Typhur Sync Oven. The Typhur Sync Oven is a premium 12-in-1 countertop air fryer toaster oven combo designed for versatile and precise cooking in modern kitchens. With a spacious 27-quart capacity, it easily handles large meals, including roasting, baking, air frying, dehydrating, and more, making it suitable for families and entertaining. Its advanced 360 degrees turbo convection system ensures fast, even heat circulation for consistent cooking results and crisp textures. A standout feature is the smart wireless meat thermometer probe, which monitors internal food temperature in real time for accurate, perfectly cooked results without guesswork. The oven also includes multiple cooking presets, guided recipes, and 5 essential accessories, along with an extra wire rack to expand cooking flexibility. Combining intelligent temperature control, large capacity, and multi-function performance, the Typhur Sync Oven delivers a convenient and high-tech cooking experience for everyday meals and advanced recipes alike. Number 4. Honin Joy 12QD. The Honin Joy 12QD Large Double Basket Air Fryer is a versatile and family-friendly kitchen appliance designed to simplify meal preparation with dual-zone cooking. Featuring a spacious 12-quart capacity split into 2 independent baskets, it allows users to cook multiple dishes at once or prepare larger meals efficiently. The 12-in-1 functionality supports a variety of cooking methods such as air frying, roasting, reheating, broiling, and more, offering excellent flexibility for everyday meals. Its digital touchscreen control panel makes operation simple and intuitive, while the viewing window allows you to monitor food without opening the baskets. The Sync Cook feature enables both baskets to cook simultaneously with the same settings, ensuring convenience and consistent results. Designed for easy cleanup, it includes dishwasher-safe components and comes with 50 paper liners to reduce mess and maintenance. Combining dual-zone efficiency, large capacity, and user-friendly design, this air fryer is a practical solution for quick and convenient home cooking. Number 5. Typhur Dome 2. The Typhur Dome 2 AI Smart Air Fryer is a premium 15-in-1 countertop cooking appliance designed for fast, even, and high-capacity meal preparation. Featuring a unique dome-shaped design with top and bottom heating elements, it ensures more uniform heat distribution for crispier and more consistent cooking results compared to traditional air fryers. Its large flat basket can accommodate bigger foods such as a 12-inch pizza or thick steaks, making it highly versatile for family meals. The built-in AI Smart Cooking System helps optimize time and temperature for different recipes, while the PFAS-free ceramic coating ensures healthier, non-toxic cooking with easy food release. A self-cleaning function adds extra convenience by reducing cleanup time after use. Designed for quiet operation, it runs whisper quiet even during high-performance cooking. Combining advanced heating technology, intelligent controls, and a spacious design, the Typhur Dome 2 delivers a powerful and modern cooking experience for everyday kitchens. That's all for today's video. All product links are in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing kitchen gadget reviews. Thanks for watching.